Freewell are well known for their range of high quality filters and accessories. We've taken a look at various examples in the past, and now they've taken that winning formula and applied it to the DJI OSMO Pocket with their all-day filter 8-pack. Available in various configurations, ensuring you can purchase only the filters you need, here we have the full pack of 8 units, and inside the package we find a decent hard shell plastic carry case. Very handy considering the size of these filters. Crack open the case and alongside a cleaning cloth we find all 8 filters, ND 4, 8 and 16, along with a circular polarizer filter, as well as ND CPL filters from 8 up to 64, all conveniently labelled. This pretty much covers all possible shooting scenarios. The CPL filters aren't fixed either, so you are free to rotate the dial to adjust your polarity, with a small marker ensuring you can easily get to the optimal position. Each filter incorporates 16 layers of multi-coated optical glass to ensure the best possible image capture. To top it off, they are scratch-proof, weatherproof, even though the Osmo isn't, and dust-proof. Attaching them to the pocket is easy too thanks to the magnetic ring on the rear. Simply snap a filter into place and you're ready to shoot. The filter stays in place pretty well, even though the pocket isn't an action camera as such anyway, although they're incredibly lightweight too, and I found no adverse effects on the gimbal itself throughout testing. You can even leave the filter attached when placing the gimbal into its protective case, ensuring your Osmo Pocket is always ready to shoot. With the high quality we've come to expect from Freewell, the Osmo Pocket filter set certainly complement the Pocket nicely and are a must-have for any serious shooter. Throughout testing I've found my footage to remain just as sharp, but with better colour and fewer reflections, thanks to the rotating bezel providing the ability to dial in your polarization just where you need it, and it all works wonderfully well. If you're serious about shooting with the Osmo Pocket, packed in a handy carry case and producing no ill effects on gimbal operation, the Freewell filters are certainly worth a look.